Exciting update. Cleva is now available not just in Nigeria, but Uganda, South Africa, and they're expanding to Ghana as well. This is good. This is really, really good because one of the new features that I noticed is you can now send money from Nigeria to people in other countries. You know, people in Ghana, people in Uganda as well. If you update your Cleva app, you can see these updates. But if you check the website, you would notice that the website is not yet updated. Right? But if you're on the app for iPhone or Android, you have the Cleva app installed and updated. You can send money to a friend in Ghana or to Uganda. And I think, they're expanding from there. They announced this in the Cleva event, second year anniversary that we went for earlier, this month. And yeah, I think that you should check it out. The reason I'm making this video is to address a comment that was left by one of our subscribers, one of our members here on YouTube. It says, how can we send USD from Cleva to Bybit and other exchange apps? So the way Cleva works right now, if you have dollars on your Cleva account, you can only send those dollars to people in other countries who are using Cleva, or you can send them to people who use Cleva in Nigeria. So you can use the Cleva tag option and then just get the person's username and you can send them dollars. When they are withdrawing the money, they will be able to withdraw the money to their local currency. If you're in Nigeria, you withdraw it to Naira. Now, let's get to the USDT, USDC part. You see, Cleva only lets you receive crypto at the moment. You receive the crypto and then it converts it to USD. But it doesn't have an option for you to send crypto from Cleva to Bybit and Co. And that's what I wanted to address in this video. They only let you, it's kind of like an input, no output thing. You can only receive money, USDC, USDT to your Cleva account. I've made a video, about how to do that. But if you're looking to transfer dollars right now, or USDT or USDC from Cleva to, some other bank account out there, or to Bybit, or, you name it, you cannot do that. You have to withdraw the money to your Naira account first, to your Nigerian bank account from Cleva. Then from there, you can do the Bybit P2P or Binance P2P and all of that. So currently, there is no way you can send USDT and USDC from Cleva to another platform out there like Bybit. I hope this has answered the question. Let me know if you have other questions. I'll be willing to talk about it. I'll be willing to provide my insight as well. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And of course, like this video. I'll see you guys. Bye.